Hey, what's up, man? Riddler Shea, Mr. Live on location. And today is Friday, June the 4th, I believe. Yeah, it's hard to keep track of the date sometimes. June the 4th or 5th, but it's Friday, and there's a big conference, Bitcoin conference going on in Miami today and tomorrow. The biggest Bitcoin conference of the year. Maybe of the last 2 years. There's some really great speakers that are going to be speaking. I forget all the names off the top of my head, but some really big movers and shakers in crypto will be speaking at that conference. Miami mayor has been, going on national television saying that, Miami may pay some of its employees partially in crypto. He may give them the option to accept part of their paychecks in crypto, like some of the Miami City employees or the Miami-Dade County employees, and so on and so forth. So, that's a new concept. There are some articles I've read where, some athletes accept some of their payment in crypto. So, I guess it's going to be a growing phenomenon. But we'll see as months go by, because honestly, it looks like crypto's here to stay. It's been around, as far as I know, since 2011, maybe before that. So it's been around for at least 10 years. And so a lot of the money that's been printed in the United States was printed in the last year. They say that about 35% of the money that was printed in the United States was printed in the last year. I've heard that on the internet. I don't know how true that is, but, hey, who knows? I mean, it kind of makes you wonder with all the stimulus packages that have been passed, trillions of dollars in stimulus packages. It's like, where are they getting all this cash from to send to people, and the PPP loans and so on and so forth? Where is all this cash being printed? Where is it coming from? So it kind of makes you wonder, So will there be more inflation because of all the money that's been sent out in the stimulus and the PPP loans? Maybe the cryptocurrency is a great way to hedge against that inflation, since the gold standard has been kind of, I don't know how much gold we have in the United States. I mean, we've been off the gold standard in the United States, I think, since the 1950s. So, that's been about 50, 60, 40 years or something like that, ever since Nixon. Yeah. Where does this all lead in the next 20 to 30 years? It seems like a lot of roads are leading to crypto. It's what it seems like to me. So, yeah, man, cryptocurrency conference here in Miami. It's major, man. What ideas will they discuss and come up with? Only time will tell. So, yeah, man, this is a very interesting year in 2021. The meme stocks have been jumping all over the place. They're changing the landscape of the entire Wall Street. Meme stocks such as AMC, GME, Naked Brand, Ross, I think is one of them. Yeah. So, BlackBerry, that's another one. I mean, how much have people been using BlackBerry phones? BlackBerry has been a dead brand. It's as far as I knew, I thought the BlackBerry phones went basically out in 2007 or something. And here we are. Their stock is jumping, on any given day. But that's because it's one of these meme stocks, So some of these meme stocks have really been not hijacked, but some of these meme stocks, in my opinion, have been used and kind of like bootlegged into becoming like a crypto. Because a cryptocurrency, it's very volatile. It can go up and down just based off the people that buy and sell it, right? But a stock, in theory, is supposed to be based off like fundamentals of the company. Their balance sheet, their technicals and fundamentals and things that you can things that you can really look at in the Wall Street Journal paper or something like that and kind of measure, like, you know, what their executive is doing and what their vice presidents are doing, and, you know, their new product line they had coming out, and you can look at their profit and loss statement and things of that nature, is what you're, in theory, what you're supposed to be able to do to measure a stock. But when you've got meme stock, when you've got meme stocks, which is, it's not a knock against meme stocks. I'm not laughing to downgrade them, or, you know, this is not a knock or a downgrade on Reddit or anything like that. But I can't help but to kind of laugh because, you know, it's such a new phenomenon, or at least it's a new phenomenon to me. When you've got meme stocks, quote unquote, as they say, as they call them, that's the popular phrase now to refer to AMC, GME, GameStop, Naked Brand, these stocks that are up and down like a roller coaster, you know, huge gains out of nowhere in like 1 or 2 days. You know, that's not the Wall Street, the traditional Wall Street type of moves, right? So in my opinion, what's happened is some of these meme stocks, these Reddit forums and so on, have picked certain meme stocks to basically act like a crypto. And in effect is what has happened. That's the default result. It's like some of these meme stocks have been, in effect, made to perform, or the default result is they perform like a crypto in many aspects. Like, you know, it's not as surprising when you see a Dogecoin or a meme coin, a certain coin come out of nowhere and then shoot through the roof, go up 40% in a day or 50% in a day. You know, that's not uncommon, but it's uncommon for a stock to do that. You know, outside of its initial public offering, like the first day or 2 days, you know, after the IPO, yeah, you might expect high volatility. But, you know, to be going up 40, 50% or 200% in like 2 days, like GameStop did in January, nah, that's not traditional Wall Street. That's something new. That's definitely a new phenomenon, it seems to me, in the last couple of years. And Wall Street's been around, you know, buying and selling stocks has been around for at least, I think, 1905 or something like that. So, you know, buying and selling stocks has been around at least, I think, 110 years or something like that. I'm not a historian, so don't quote me on that, but, you know, you get the idea. But anyway, I say all that to say that it's anybody's game now. I don't care. You could be you don't even have to be 21 years old, I don't think, to well, I think you do have to be 21 to open a traditional trading app like Robinhood or Webull. But yeah, I mean, you could be almost any age, it seems like, and really make a lot of money with these stocks and these options now. Right now, like day trading, it's anybody's game. Put it like that. You don't have to be a Wall Streeter. You don't have to be a suit and tie kind of guy. You could be anybody from any background, any walk of life, and do some fantastic things or some unbelievable things with these options and these stocks and these cryptos. So that's the bottom line, man. Real Estate Mr. Live on location. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this entire, you know, idea of stocks. Do some stocks, you know, are some stocks basically acting like cryptos now? Let me know your thoughts, man. Comment down below. Check out the link in my Instagram bio. Type Real Estate on Instagram and click the link in my Instagram bio to download the newest, the most used trading platform that's being used these days to buy and sell stocks and to buy and sell cryptos. Click the link in my Instagram bio, man, to get that app. And you'll get some free stocks, and so will I. So you can't lose. It's a win-win. Real Estate Mr. Live on location. Holla.